student progress management project execution demo. After downloading the project, you will get a folder something like student PM. So this is your project source code. So just copy this folder and place it in C drive of your system. So make a right click and paste it on your C drive. So like this. After this, your project have been designed using Visual Studio 2012 and it's a web application ASP.NET, and we have used C Sharp, and database we have used MS SQL Server 2008. And to execute your project, you need to install Visual Studio 2012 in your system. After installing the Visual Studio 2012, so just get into the program. You will find Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. Inside this, you have to select Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. It comes something like this, right? Make a click on this. So just wait for a second, you will get a window, right? So now, so just go for a file. In this, I'm going to select open. I'm going to select a website, and here you have to select your project folder. So it's located in your C drive, and the folder name is student progress management, your student PM. So here is the folder. So I've selected the folder. So all your files will be loaded in a Solution Explorer. At the right hand side, you can find a toolbox called Solution Explorer. So these are all the ASPX files what you have used for your project. And at the left hand side, you will find a Server Explorer window where you can find your database. So just make a right click and go for a refresh. So your DB will be connected to the Server Explorer, so where you can view all the tables and the views and the procedures written to your written inside your database. And after that, so to execute your project, so just log into Solution Explorer. You will find a default.aspx file. This is the home page. Make a right click on this and just select view in browser. So you will get a login page something like this. Say when it comes to our project, so there are three types of user accounts are there. One is administrator, and another one is a HOD, and another one is the faculty account. So administrator account will be having complete hold on the application, so that you will find all the options available in our application. And when it comes to HOD, so there are some HOD related, some options will be given and some option will be removed. And when it comes to the faculty, so the faculty will be having only rights to enter the marks, and he can view some reports. So to log into the administrator account, so we have an account name called admin@gmail.com and password 12345, and make a click on the continue option. So this is your administrator panel. So we have three user account. One is administrator. So the username is admin at gmail.com and password 12345. And in the same way, we got another account for the HOD using purpose, and the account is hod@gmail.com. Password remains same. And we have another for faculty, and this is faculty@gmail.com, and the password is 12345, right? So present we are in administrator account. So very first option, we have a edit profile. Make a click on the edit profile, so that you can see the profile details and all. If you want to make any changes, make a click on the edit option, and what are the changes you wanted to do, you can do the changes and you can update the record. And we have blocked the email address, so that you cannot update the email address. Apart from that, you can update rest of the things. And when it comes to the masters, we have a department masters where you can add the department or you can modify the department details and all. For example, like computer science, mechanical, E&E, LC, we've already added. If you want to add one more, so you can add the department. So if you want to edit the existing record, make a click on the select button. So the data will be loaded here, and you can find the update or delete option. You can make whatever the changes you want and make a click on the update, so that record will be updated. And the same way we have a subject also, subject master. So here you are going to add the subjects. So here you are going to select the department and which semester and which user is going to handle that subject. So whether he is a faculty or a HOD and administrator, of course he is also can handle the subjects. So you're going to select the faculty and you can type the subject name and make a click on the submit, so that that subject information will be added and you can view it something like this. Okay, so this is about the subject master. And next, student, we have a student details menu. Very first one is a manage student, so where the student registration will be done, so that the student basic information will be recorded here, something like USN number, name, date of birth, father name, and so, and is from which department and semester. So after providing all this information, make a click on the submit button, so the student will be registered in the application. So after registering a student, we have also provided an option called promote student. So assume the student have passed second semester. Now we need to promote him to the third semester. In that case, make a click on the promote student. So you will find a window something like this. So here you are going to select the department and you are going to select the semester. So currently this particular student is studying in second semester, you can see here. So just select that student and just select a semester and make a click on the submit, so that student will be upgraded to the third semester. So like this, the student upgradation or semester upgradation can be done using this promote student. And next comes the internal marks management option. You get a window something like this. Here you are going to select department and which semester and in particular semester in which subject. So make a click on the load button, so all the students details will be loaded something like this. So here you are going to enter the internal marks achieved by the student. So after this, make a click on the update, so that automatically it will be, the things will be calculated, the average will be calculated. And let me show you another. Okay, second internal marks, and make a click on the update, so it will be calculated and it will be stored in the database. So this is how we are going to enter the internal marks of all the students based on subject wise. After that, administrator have a special rights to create a user. Make a click on the manage user. Administrator have a rights to create another HOD account and another administrator account as well as another faculty account. Okay, so here we can create the user. So next comes the reporting part. Very first one is a marks report. Make a click on this. You will find video something, sorry, a screen something like this. You're going to select a department and select the semester. Make a click on the submit. You will find all the student list something like this, and make a click on this plus mark. So you will find the subject name and the marks achieved and well as the average marks scored. So like this, each and every student score details will be shown like this. And when it comes to student details, so you can list out all the students who are studying in that particular semester. So like this it comes, and if you want, you can take a printout also, or else you can export that files to PDF also. We have a PDF, or else you can directly take a printout also. And after this, we have provided user details, so it will list out all the users registered in our application. So like this, we have a three accounts right now. One is the administrator account, faculty, as well as the HOD account. And next is the subject details. You can find all the if you want a report on the subjects. So I've selected computer science, so that semester 1 to semester 2 we have entered right now. These are the subjects what we have entered in our application, so that details. And who is handling that subject, so that information is also provided here. So this report gives these informations. So these are the options what you have provided in an administrator account. So next I'm going to log out from this account. Now I'm going to log in with the HOD account. So HOD at gmail.com, password 12345, and make a click on the continue. You get a window something like this, right? So here also you can find an option called edit profile, so you can edit the profile, and we have given some masters. So HOD can enter subject details. Okay, so the same screen. So here you're going to select department, your semester, and which user is going to handle the subject and the subject name. And apart from that, HOD have a rights to promote a student, and HOD also have a rights to enter the internal marks details of the student. Select the subject, department, and make a click on the load. So we find something like this, right? And next, when it comes to report, HOD have rights to view student details, and you can also view the subject details, and you can also view the marks details. So these are the options what we have provided for the HOD account. Now I'm going to log out from here, and I'm going to log in with the faculty account, faculty at gmail.com, and password 12345. Make a click on the continue. You will get a dashboard. So this is the faculty home page. Here also the common option profile. You can edit the profile, and next is the internal. The faculty have rights to. We have given limited option. The faculty have a rights to enter the marks. So select and make a click on the load, so that you will get a screen so that you can enter the marks details and all. And he can also view the student details. Make a click on the student details. So the same screens, you are going to select a department and semester. Make a click on the subject. You can view all the students, and as well as you can view all the the marks details of the students also. See something like this. Okay, so this is about the student progress management project. Thank you.